driver is this? Did you see that? That's his giveaway. I'm coming to the straight road. He was just nearly killing us. Stupid driver. I just saw him suddenly, you know.
Whoa! Whoa! Like an idiot.
So when you're with others, open windows to disperse these particles. Just 10 minutes every now and again is enough to help. Stop COVID-19 hanging around.
Need to sell or part X your car? At FOW, we don't just sell a huge range of cars, we buy them too. Get a great price, hassle-free, and start your new car journey. Drop off and drive away with FOW.co.uk.
Oh no. Where are we gonna go?
Extra day added due to phenomenal demand for Manchester AO Arena, 4th March 2023. Tickets are on sale now.
Get yours at capitaltheatre.com.
Justin Bieber.
You actually expect me to try and get through there? I ain't gonna get through there.
Capitals Jingle Bell Ball.
With Barclaycard.
3 days to go. Chris from Coldplay.
Hey, this is Anne-Marie.
Listen all weekend on Capital. Watch live on Global Player Saturday and Sunday from 6 p.m.
alright, darling. A naughty truck, wasn't he?
Naughty truck.
Naughty truck.
Cat's a naughty truck.
To go. You're right, Babs. Where does he want me to go, Babs? And horrible man, isn't he? Nasty man.
Alright. Is this your car? Yeah, do you drive this all the time? Yeah. Right. It's on Beck Road, right? Near the turn off of Farnham Road, right? I had right away. There was two cars or a car there on your side of the road, and you accelerated through. I beeped at you and you beeped back at me.
And when was that?
I don't recall the date, but it's on YouTube.
Okay.
And if you slow down the video, 1421 appears on the video.
Okay.
Right?
Right, okay.
I can give you my channel number, my channel name, sorry, and in the description of the video.
Okay,
So I reported it to.
check with you if you're okay.
Sorry?
Okay? I didn't understand at that time.
No. You. I clearly had right away, and you was at speed, and you went through. And I beeped at you, you beeped back at me.
Remember, but what I can see right now is that you've been following me for quite some time.
No, I was going to the shop.
You have been following me for...
I'm going to Sainsbury's, man.
Yeah, I can see that.
I went home to drop some lager off.
You've been following me for quite some time.
I've been following you. I'm on the way to Sainsbury's. I'm recording it. I've got a shopping list in my bag if you want to see it. Hey? Do you want to see my shopping list? Do you want to see my shopping list? There's my shopping list, look. There's my shopping list. Milk, cheese, tomatoes, peas, and pepper. Right? I'm not following you. I'm going to Sainsbury's, okay? Fucking following you, my fucking ass. I was going to get the coppers on me for going to fucking Sainsbury's. You daft bastard. Idiot.